voice stuck in my brain. We never got to see it through, and I know I feel more pain.
Hi guys, today we are trying out for the first time the Honda CRF to see if there's any problems, how the bike handles and so on. So let's unload the bike and let's go.
I just don't know.
So, let's go.
So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low?
So here we are on the track. Let's test the Honda to see how the suspension works, how the engine works and everything. We'll do a little edit, and then at the end of the video, me and Ademir, the cameraman, we'll do a little race to see who is faster. Let's go.
So what do you think?
It's awesome. The engine pulls really good. The suspensions are awesome. We are very glad with the bike. There are no leakage of oil, water and so on. It's a very good bike. We are very satisfied.
And now what are we going to do?
Let's do our race.
So here is the start line and the finish line. We also will have a GoPro, so we know exactly the time he passes through.
So my brother won the race like 3 seconds faster than me, but he was always the better rider, so it's nothing close.
Sometimes he wins, sometimes I win. So
yeah, but more him. We are very happy with the bike. The bike is very good, the engine is great, the suspensions are great, and in the next video we will be stripping down the Honda and we will clean it very well.
I hope you like this kind of content, because it's something new that we tried.
And we like doing this type of things, and if you like it too, you can write us in the comments and you can like the video and so on. So
and subscribe.
Yeah, you can also subscribe if you want. So we will see you in the next video. Bye.